We understand that what the industry has done is taken these relatively cheap ingredients, right? These core ingredients of flour, I mean, these flours, starches, sugars, and oils, and it's reformulated them into these concoctions that have no structure, right? High in processed refined carbohydrates, high in sweet. Number one, they had to dial in palatability. They had to dial in hyperpalatability, right? So you had to have fat and sugar, fat and salt, fat, sugar, in salt. And we know that there's multiple mechanisms, right? There's hedonic mechanisms, there's homeostatic mechanisms. They all are plagued. Feeding is complicated. So the first question is hyperpalatability. Is palatability a driver of overconsumption?
No question it is.
So what about disrupted satiety signals, right? So if you make this highly palatable, these ultra-processed foods, right? By definition, you're just taking these core ingredients, you're removing them, all the structure of the food, you're removing all the fiber from the food, right? So that in some ways, I mean, does highly palatable food, do you think that it blunts satiety cues, right?
It does. Biologically, it does, yes. Right. It doesn't activate satiety cues.
So in some ways, what's fascinating to me, you have one industry, right, the food industry, making billions of dollars, I mean, taking away satiety, and then you have the GLP-1 industry giving us back satiety. Go figure, there's something wrong with that picture.